Good morning, students. So, now let's start with our next chapter in English grammar, that is chapter number 26, and titled Words Often Confused or Misused. And I know each one of us often confused with some words, and such words are called homophones and homographs. Now, what are homophones? Homophones are words which have similar sounds but their meanings and their spellings differ. Fine. Such words are called homophones. And what are homographs? Homographs are those words which have the same spelling but their meanings are different. So, such words we'll study in this chapter, and such words are often confuse us while using. Fine. So, here is a list of homophones. Like some words are there, except. Here the pronunciation is same. Both are except, but the spellings are different and even their meanings are also different. So, these words are homophones. What is accept? This accept is ACCEPT. It is when we accept something, like we accept a gift from our friend. And this accept is instead of that, means all boys went to play football except one. Fine. So that one is this except. I hope this meaning is clear to you. In this way, all these words are homophones here because both the words have different meanings and different spellings too, but their pronunciation is same. Like take this example, died. This died is the second form of die, means death. And this died is the second form of dye, that is when we dye our clothes, like we dye clothes in different colors like red, green, blue, white, etc. Fine. So this is the difference between these two words. And another example, if we can take example of this hole. This hole is like a hole in a pant or a hole in a wall. Fine. And this hole is whole, means total. Fine. So this is the difference between these two, but the pronunciation is again same. If we take another example like this, meat. This meat is that the non-vegetarians eat meat. This is that meat, MEAT. But this meat is when we meet our friend. So MEET. Fine. Similar example is diary and dairy. And other examples are also there in which we get confused. Fine. And some other words are also there which are misused, means which are often misused, means most of us misuse those words. Here are some examples like accident, incident. Accident is when an accident takes place like between a car and a truck. And incident is there is an incident of an accident. Fine. In the same way, home and house. You all know what is a home. Home is a place where we live. And what is a house? House is a building of bricks and stone. So this is the difference between home and house. So these are certain words that we often misused. Fine. So read them out in order to get a clear understanding of such words, that words often misused and homophones also. Now come to the exercise part. Exercise A is find words with the same pronunciation as the following. Here we have to write down the words which have the similar pronunciation with the given words. And there may be spellings may differ and even their meanings may differ. So certain words are like if I say this died. This also we have done in the examples, na? Died, died. This is heard. Heard is, this is the second form of hear. And this heard is a collective noun, HERD. Like this, in this way we have to do this exercise. This stationery also you all know. This stationery is when we use pens, pencils and all. And this stationery is the thing which is still, that is stationery, ARY. So don't get confused in these. You have to write down such words which have the same pronunciation but their meanings and their spellings may be different. Now come to exercise B. Exercise B there are certain sentences given to us, and in these sentences some words are wrongly spelt. What we have to do is we have to find out those wrongly spelt words and we have to write down their correct spellings. Fine. Like take this example. He lives on the second floor. Here the spelling of floor is wrong because it is the like wheat flour or corn flour. But here we have to write down the spelling as FLOOR instead of FLOUR. In the same way, he fell down the stairs and broke his arm. Here the spelling of stairs is wrong and the correct spelling is STAIRS. In the same way, in the first example, the first sentence, a large crowd had collected at the site of the accident. Here the spelling of site is wrong, means this word is wrongly written here. Here we have to write down this word as SITE. So I hope you understand this exercise and you can do the rest of the ones. Now come to exercise C. In exercise C, some words are given to you, means two words are given for each blank and you have to choose the correct word. Like in the first sentence, cow's milk is sold at this dash. Here two words are written, diary and dairy. And I hope you know the difference between both the two words. This diary is almanac or a pocket diary. But this dairy is where we sell milk products or we get milk products from dairies. So here what will be the correct word in this sentence? It is dairy, DAIRY, because cow's milk is sold at this dairy, not diary. Fine. In this way we can do other ones also, like he likes dash surroundings. Two words are given, quiet and quiet. There is also a difference between these two words. This quiet is silence and here this quiet will be there because he liked silent surroundings, quiet surroundings. Fine. So in this way we can do this exercise. Take another example. Dessert was served soon after the dinner. This dessert is a sweet dish which is served after a meal. And one more dessert is there in which DESERT. I hope you all have studied in your SS like desert, and Rajasthan is a desert area. Fine. In this way we have to do this exercise. Now come to exercise D. In exercise D, we have to choose the right words from the given words to us. Some words are given to us, but we have to choose the right words, means the words which will be placed in these blanks. Fine. So there was an example. We must drink dash water. So clean and clear are written here. So the correct word to be filled here is clean. We must drink clean water. Fine. Like another is sentence is the telephone was dashed by Graham Bell. So the words given here are discovered and invented, but the correct word to be filled here is invented. The telephone was invented by Graham Bell. In this way we have to do this exercise. Now come to exercise E. In exercise E also some words are wrongly used and we have to circle or identify those wrongly used words and we have to write down the correct words which we can use here. Like my uncle rides the car carefully. Instead of rides, here we have to write down drives. So we'll circle down rides and we'll write down the correct word as drives. Next example is in winter, Delhi is very cool. So here instead of cool, what we can write, what we have to write it down? We'll write down cold. In winter, Delhi is very cold. So like this, we have to do this exercise. And I hope this chapter is clear to you, and I hope that you will never do such mistakes of words often misused or words often confused or homophones or homographs. You will use the correct words. So do this exercise, revise it thoroughly and do the exercises also. Thank you so much.